Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1039 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Estate Lip Icing that I got in the shade Wet. And so this is a product that I have tried before but in a different shade, and I'm really excited about this shade here. It looks beautiful. It's kind of like a raspberry shade, but it also has glitter to it. So this retails for $10 on the Estate website. I've gotten Estate products in other beauty subscription boxes though, like Ipsy, definitely Ipsy, maybe BoxyCharm. So I have tried out a few Estate products before besides the lip icing, but I love that it's vegan, cruelty free, and paraben free. And I love the packaging too. I love that Estate uses pink in their packaging. All right, let's check out the applicator. Oh, it's a very small doe foot applicator. Oh, and it has that kind of vanilla sweet scent that is just so nostalgic of a lot of lip glosses mostly. So why don't I start with a swatch? Ooh, yes, great pigment to this and such a pretty shade. I don't really see much glitter in the swatch here, but we'll see when I apply it to my lips. Here's what that swatch looks like. I'm so excited to see how this looks on me. So that there is one thin layer, and just this one thin layer looks so good. Basically, this is a very pigmented lip gloss. And I love these types of lip products. I have dry lips, so this is the type of product that I am reaching for all the time. So I think this is beautiful. I'm in the habit now of wearing lip liner. So I feel like this would need a lip liner just to get more of that precise shape to my lips. It does look good without a lip liner, but I'm just used to wearing a lip liner now that I'm like, this would look so good with a kind of nude lip liner. And it is so beautiful on the lips. That shine, that even color, and it's somehow very smoothing. Like it really hydrated my chapped lips. And it kind of looks like it gave a plumping effect, but it doesn't have any tingling, plumping quality. It just is super enhancing and beautiful on the lips. It really doesn't even need a second layer, but I just really want to see if that color builds up. It does seem to add a little bit more color to it, but not even that much. Like just that one layer is pretty opaque enough on its own. Okay, I love this. This color is just so perfect. It's such a versatile shade, but then the formula is amazing. It's not at all sticky, so comfortable, and just so pigmented, and the shine, and I just can't get over how enhancing it is on my lips. Like I want that smoothed out look to my lips, and this gives it so beautifully. And my lips were so far from looking smooth like this before I applied it. It's just all around my perfect gloss. The color, the formula, everything about this, I absolutely love. This is seriously one of my favorite lip glosses now to have in my collection. Like you're probably going to be seeing me wearing this a lot. This paired with my Thrive Cosmetics lip liner. I'm obsessed with that lip liner right now, and I feel like it's a really great shade to go with this. I am so excited to wear that combination all the time. So I'm really glad that I have another one of these Estate lip icings, but this seriously just makes me want to get even more of them. They have a bunch of fun colors on their website. I was noticing that a lot of them are sold out right now, but hopefully they come back in stock, or hopefully I can get more from Ipsy, because this is seriously an amazing lip gloss. And I love lip glosses. I try out a lot of lip glosses on my channel, and I am actually like blown away by this one. I love it so much. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.